So I'm just coming to do a first impressions of my AliPearl hair. I know you're probably wondering, like, why does she has this hair in a ponytail? Yeah, I was kind of going for this little look today at work. Long story, but anywho. So I have my little notes here, whatever. So again, this is AliPearl hair. I purchased 5 bundles. So I purchased two 22s, two 20s, and an 18-inch Brazilian body wave. It came in the natural hair color, like the number 2 kind of color. Ooh, my highlight, like, what's up? Hey girl, hey highlight. I'm just playing. But yeah, so I only was able to fit, well, she was only able to fit 4 bundles, which was the two 22s, the two 20s, and literally just a little piece of the 18 at the top. I did purchase this with my own coins. So it came out to be around like $233 just for 5 bundles. And I purchased her, I don't know, it took about 3 to 4 days to receive. It was very fast because when I ordered the hair, I think they shipped it the same day. Yeah, they shipped it the exact same day that I ordered the hair. So I was like, oh, okay, customer service. She wrote me, it was great customer service. She wrote me, you know, verifying my address, my telephone number. I actually had to change my address, and she was easy about that. There was no problems, and they got my address correct, of course. After that, we communicated. She told me about the shipping and let her know if I had any questions. So the customer service was really, really good. There wasn't any, which if you guys saw my other video of my unboxing, it wasn't any crazy packaging. It was just a regular little DHL little yellow bag. It would have been nice if they would have had like cute little package, like a little box or something. I do like when companies send you hair and it's like cute packaging. It make you feel all special and like you got some bomb hair or something. But I mean, it's AliExpress, so you know you can't expect too much. But some companies do actually have nice packaging, so hey, it is what it is. Now, so I'm gonna do my, I guess, my pros about it, which I would say is the shipping. I did get my hair fast because actually I ordered hair from somebody else. Hair was not now it. So then this was, because I was debating between this hair and another company. And I ended up going with the other company, and I was like, okay, let me try them out. That was a no. And I was like, okay, let me just order from her. So I was so happy that I was able to get my hair fast, only because my appointments, like, I had to get in my appointment. Or I wouldn't have been able to get my hair done, like, none this month because she was all booked. So I was happy about the shipping, the customer service. So that's another pro for me because a lot of companies have terrible customer service, even the ones that are with good hair. So I've experienced both. I do like that the hair, so okay. So the hair is minimal shedding. So when I first got the hair, you know, I played with it, ran my fingers through it. It was no shedding. I mean, there really isn't any shedding now. So the only reason why I put minimal shedding is because, this is my fault. So I ended up falling asleep. I didn't put my bonnet or anything on. And of course, when I brushed it out, just a few strands, like not like a whole bunch where you like, what the? It was just a little bit of hair. So technically, I wouldn't say any shed. I mean, all hair sheds. So it's not like it was anything out of the normal, I guess. So yeah, no tangling at all. I did dye this hair 1B, but I used the box dye. I think it was by Revlon. Yeah, and I just dyed it like the off black, which is considered 1B, I know. Yeah, and I did that, and when I did it, no issues. It didn't tangle. The hair wasn't dry afterwards. It took the color fast. I was kind of surprised. even though I still left it on here for like 45 minutes. Yeah, it was like 45 minutes. I left the box dye on there. And then, I don't know, because I think when I got to my third, no, like my third bundle or so, I noticed like my first bundle was done. I don't know. And I moved pretty fast because, I mean, it was just a box dye. I mean, like I was doing anything special to it. But, yeah, it took it really good, which I was surprised and happy about. So, if I wanted to, like, you know, dye it in the future, I know where to take it. But, yeah. So that was another plus for me though. So it took it well. I shampooed and conditioned it with Tresemme. Is it Tresemme? I think Tresemme, but it's the one for dry or damaged hair, and I did that only because I dyed it with the box dye, which the hair was soft. Like it was, and it is still soft. Like it's soft. Like the hair is soft. And it smelled good. Like it took, like, you know how sometimes when you have hair and it still have that corn chip smell. Like no matter how many times you wash the hair, it take a while. Yeah, but it didn't do that. So yeah, it was cool. But let's see what else. I got my little notes because I didn't want to just ramble on and on in this video. And I did, okay, so I did cut a few layers, if you could see it, but just a little bit. So, the reason why I kind of did this little ponytail, so, y'all probably don't care about this, but I'm telling y'all anyway. My hair had color in it, if you probably could still see it. So, I cut the color out. Instead of me just dyeing it back black like a smart person would do, I decided to just go chop, chop. And then I blunt cut it instead of tapering it. So, it looked stupid. And then I did a middle part instead of a side to kind of like play it off. The fact that I chopped it off like that. So, the way that it's curled, to me, you can see the difference. And I'm very, very picky. And I was like, oh, no. No, honey. Like, yeah. I just, So I tried to do like this little cute little side pony until I fix it, because I'm gonna fix it, of course. But yeah, I had to play it off because it wasn't cute. It's just not cute. Yeah. And it's not my stylist's fault. It's my fault. Like I just couldn't believe that I did it. Like afterwards, I was like, well, why would you do that? Like Steph said, huh? Like what? I don't know. I felt stupid. Like, that was so dumb of me. Instead of just dyeing it back black. But I just feel like the color was really, like, damaging my hair. And I feel like my hair was not growing how it normally was. So, in my mind, I was like, girl, just let it go. Start over. Chop it off. You're doing too much. Boom. Chop it off. Yeah. So, now I'm suffering. Really bad. And I hate it. But anyways, because I'm now rambling. So, the only con that I honestly have about this hair is it's not full. Like, for this to be, I mean, I understand the length I have is 22, is my longest length. And I've had plenty of hair. From AliExpress to the most expensive hair. This hair is not, it's not full. Like, maybe I'm tripping. I don't know. Not to me. Like, I have a huge head. So, yeah. And don't be talking about me in my comments. But, yeah. Like, and me, I like full hair. Like, I like my hair to be just voluminous. I like a big hair. And this hair is just not that full to be for bundles. It's not. Like, I don't know. That's just me. Some people may be like, girl, this is full. But I guess I've had like really good hair. So it's like you can't expect too much because it's AliExpress. So that's why it's not really a big deal, because overall the hair is good. I actually love the hair. It's soft, no tangling. I just wish it was full. I would take it out this ponytail. But I don't want y'all talking about me for my leave out. No judgment. Don't judge me. So Yeah. But other than that, like I really love the hair. I mean, I done took plenty of naps and forgot to wrap my hair up. And all I have to do is brush it out and I'm cool. It doesn't, I mean, even though it's only been like a day since I had the hair installed. But normally you can kind of tell, I mean, when bad hair is bad hair. It doesn't take forever to figure out if hair is bad, you know? So, yeah. But yeah, so this is just my first impressions on this hair. I probably will do like a month update. I normally don't keep my hair in for a long time because I like to switch things up. I get bored quick with my styles, so I know I'm not going to want this middle part after a while. So I'll probably do my 1 month update before I take it out, and then I'm going to change it up. I probably won't reinstall this hair. I may purchase her. Okay, so I may purchase hair from them again, depending on how this hair goes. But I want to try other companies. So if you guys know some other good AliExpress companies, can y'all tell me in my comments? Because I really want to try other AliExpress companies. Because I've tried a lot of hair companies. And I look on YouTube and I see other YouTubers get some bomb AliExpress hair, and I'm like, sis, you know, where you get your hair from? Like, cause I don't ever find like AliExpress companies that have good hair, and then it's like I see your video, and I'm like, okay, your hair bomb, and then I get this hair, and I'm like, what happened? You know. But if y'all know some good companies, can y'all put it in the comments down below so I can try it out? Yeah. And I don't know, should I get a side part? I think I'm gonna try a side part my next install. I have not had a side part in a long time. Like I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, you can leave it in my comments if I left something out or if y'all want to know something. Yeah. But again, I did purchase this with my own money. See, do y'all see that? Baby girl, what are you doing? It's just ugly. I hate that I did this. But my highlight though. Do y'all like my makeup? I tried something new, to be honest. I tried a whole entire new technique on my face. So tell me if y'all like my makeup, because that way I know if I did okay or if I just need to go back to my old technique. Because I don't want to try this and go outside and people be like, ooh, you need to go home. Try again. But yeah, it's just, y'all gotta see it. I can't show y'all. I don't want y'all to talk about me in my comments. But yeah, so anywho, I hope you guys like this video. If so, give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. This is like my second video. I'm a little baby on her. It's cool. We're going to get there. But no, I hope you guys enjoy my video, and I'll see you in my next one.